me tell you a small story. Last year, I met a guy called Kevin at Archives in Nairobi. Slim guy, backpack, earphones. Nothing special. But when we started talking, bro told me he makes 120,000 shillings a month from his laptop while living in a bedsitter in Roysambu. I almost asked him, bro, are you scamming people or what? He laughed and said, nope, I just learned a skill. That day I realized one thing. Wealth in Kenya is not about luck. It is about assets. So today I am breaking down 7 assets that can make you rich in Kenya. And I am telling you the full story behind each one so you can picture the journey clearly. Asset number 1, digital skills. Let me go back to Kevin's story. Turns out he's a video editor, but not always. 3 years ago he was jobless, broke, and spending his days at Imenti House cyber cafes applying for jobs. One day, he stumbled on a YouTube tutorial titled, How to Edit Videos in 20 Minutes. Bored and frustrated, he clicked it. That video changed his life. He started practicing every day using a second-hand laptop from Luthuli Avenue, worth 15,000 shillings that overheated like a charcoal jiko. But he kept learning. After 3 months, he edited his first paid video for 2,000 shillings. Small, but it gave him hope. Today, he works with clients from Canada, South Africa, and Europe, charging 8 to 15,000 per video, sometimes more. He told me a line that stuck in my head for weeks. Skills are the modern shamba. They feed you daily. And he's right. Look at Kapendo Photography. He turned photography into a legacy. Look at Tuembili. Storytelling plus editing equals brand deals left, right, and center. My point is that a skill grows with you. No one can take it away from you. You carry it everywhere you go. Asset number 2, land. Now here is a completely different story. My uncle, the most silent investor I know, bought a piece of land in Ruiru back in 2010 for 150,000. Let me tell you, that place was broke. Dust everywhere, thorn bushes, no electricity, no roads, just goats and hope. His friends laughed. Some even said, this plot won't even reach 300,000. But my uncle was patient. He always told me, land is not a quick win. Land is a long game. Fast forward to today. That same dusty plot is worth 2 million plus. He didn't even visit it. Time did the heavy lifting. Another neighbor bought in Malindi at 90,000 per plot. When the road expanded, the value shot to 260,000. Zero effort, just patience. Safe places to buy today? Optiven. These guys are basically the one-stop shop for investment land in Kenya. And the crazy part, you can get land from as little as 249,000 shillings with affordable installments. Meaning even if you are earning 20 or 30,000 per month, you can still enter the land game. This is their YouTube channel. Make sure you visit and find the one that suits you. Land is a long game, but for the patient, it never disappoints. Asset number 3, a strong personal brand. Let me tell you something about branding. There's a girl called Azziad Nasenya. You know her. She didn't start with expensive cameras or crazy lighting, just a phone, a clean background, and some simple dance moves. She posted consistently. One day, one video blew up. Then another. Then another. Brands started calling. Her first brand deal was maybe 20,000. Today, some deals hit hundreds of thousands. For talking, for showing up, for being consistent. Beauty Boy Stylish is the perfect example. He made one playful video with a Sunlight packet, and Sunlight made him a brand ambassador. That is the power of turning your vibe into value. Same goes for Mungai Eve, Crazy Kana, and many other content creators. In Kenya, clout equals capital, but you must build the kind of brand that people trust. Your name becomes a currency.
I am going to pause right there. The remaining 4 assets are actually the most dangerous ones. But I only drop gems for a community that is ready. So let us make a deal. Hit that subscribe button and share this link. If we can get this video to 5,000 views, I promise to release part 2 within 24 hours. The ball is in your court. Let us get those numbers up.